So here we are, June 22nd, 2013, on the Russian River. There's Kevin. Are you having fun?
Yeah, and happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Should make Kevin sing to you.
No, we don't want that to happen. There's Emerline looking all chill and cool, staring off in the distance. There's Sam drinking his signature red stripe drink.
Nice shot, baby.
And here's lovely Neanne, sitting pretty.
I want to get you.
And here I am.
Yeah.
I'm having fun. I'm hot though.
Yeah, you are.
Happy birthday. Thank you. A 1 and a 2. Anna? Happy birthday!
Oh, I thought you were gonna sing.
I'm not gonna sing.
Oh, I thought you were gonna sing like